Hello and welcome to the techHub.Training ALTERYX Annual Order Reports Challenge Solution. Today we'll be walking through how to build the solution in ALTERYX. So starting off, we're working at simple screen printing. We make branded goods, and one of our customers, VistaPoint Properties, needs an annual report generated. They run an online store through us, and for each item that is ordered by their employees, they receive a $5 credit at the end of the year. So to start, we're going to go ahead and open up ALTERYX, and we will pull in this data. We are going to need the orders table as well as the orders details table. The orders table will let us see which customers ordered which things, and the order details table will let us see how many items were on each order. Next, we're going to go ahead and drop a join tool in. And in that join tool, we can go ahead and join on our job ticket number. The job ticket number is kind of like a purchase order number. It's the identifying number for this data set. Next, we're going to filter to 2019 orders only, because that's what our thing asks for. So to filter for 2019, we're going to filter by the order date, and then we're going to filter to a range of 2019, January 1st through 2019, December 31st. Now that we have that set, we can go ahead and run it. And just do a quick visual check to make sure that our order date is in fact in 2019. To me, it looks like it is. So next we can go ahead and filter based on our VistaPoint properties. If we pull up the data, there may actually be an easier way to do this. So if we'll notice, each of our customers has a unique customer ID. So I'm going to start by looking for VistaPoint Properties. We're going to find all instances of that. So as you can see, there are a couple of different order naming conventions. So let's go back to our instructions. It says we want to find the total number of items ordered by VistaPoint employees during 2019. Well, if we look, we can see that up here, we can see that there's a little bit more information about how to identify that. It says orders placed by the corporate office do not follow naming convention. However, orders placed by employees are always VistaPoint Properties followed by a 7-digit order number. And if we keep reading, it says typically that order number starts with a 1000 but could change. So let's go ahead and search for VistaPoint Properties followed by a 1000 and find an instance of that. Well, we can see that this is an employee order and the company number or the customer ID is 2842. So if we come in here to ALTERYX, we can go ahead and filter our customer ID where it equals 2842. And then once again, just do a visual check. It looks like we do have all of the VistaPoint Properties employees orders on there. So if we come back here, we can see that we want to calculate the total amount that we owe to VistaPoint Charity. So looking up in our instructions up here, it says for each item that was ordered, we will be paying $5 to VistaPoint Charity. So let's go ahead and do some calculations here. So if we start by summing all of those job tickets, we can go ahead and take the job ticket number and get a count of that. Excuse me. We're going to get a count we are going to take a sum of the quantity ordered. go ahead and scroll down this list real quick and see if I can find the quantity ordered. It's right here. We're going to take a sum of that. If we look at our data, we can see that not in the order table, but in the orders details table, there's a total quantity ordered, which is a sum of all of the sizes that were ordered. So if we take a sum of the quantity ordered, that should give us a total number of items that were ordered. Next, we're going to take a formula tool, and we're going to go and take the name of it, so sum of quantity ordered, and multiply that by 5. And don't forget to select your column output, and it will automatically select it as a double because we are performing math on it. Now, for ease sake, we're going to go ahead and take this and rename it sum of quantity ordered. We know that now we've multiplied that quantity by 5, and so we're going to say total reimbursement or total credit. Next, we can use a browse tool to go ahead and simulate outputting that data. And now we have a report showing how much we owe to Vista Point Charity. Thank you for watching this solution as always, and we hope that you have a great time with this.